Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get HBO Max with AT&T, and this is going to be a step-by-step guide. So, first things first, let me explain to you that not all AT&T plans include HBO Max. So you're going to go to this page right here, att.com/my AT&T, and sign in to check if your plan basically qualifies. And if eligible, you'll see a HBO Max listed in your plan details. So these are the plans that give you access to HBO Max at no extra charge. You can go ahead and look at these. So if you have one of these plans, you should be able to go ahead and activate Max in your My AT&T account. Okay. And once you do that, guys, you want to go ahead and sign in to HBO Max now, right? Open up the HBO Max app or go to hbomax.com. Just click on sign in and select sign in with a provider. Then you need to choose AT&T from the list. Okay? Now you basically need to go ahead and use your AT&T credentials. You want to enter your AT&T username and password, basically the same login you use for your AT&T account. And if prompted, just go ahead and create an HBO Max profile for personalized recommendations. And once logged in, you can browse and start watching your favorite HBO Max content, right? Really easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.